English speakers. Welcome back to day 2 of the 5-day English speaking challenge here on Easy English Daily. If you completed day 1, I'm proud of you. If you're new, no problem. Join us now and speak English with me today. Today's focus is greetings and small talk, the kind of English you use every day when you meet someone. Part 1 Greetings Practice. Let's practice some basic greetings. I'll say it, you repeat after me, loud and clear. Hello. Hi, how are you? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. Good job. These are greetings we use in real life, every single day. Part 2 Small talk examples. Let's try a short conversation now. I'll play 2 roles, and you repeat both. You can even do this in front of a mirror or with a friend. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is blank.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mini conversation 2. Fast practice. Let's go a little faster this time. Speak with me like you're really talking to someone. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. That's how small talk starts. Just being friendly and polite makes a huge difference when speaking English. Part 3 Speaking Challenge. Now it's your turn to speak on your own. Your challenge. Say these 3 lines, alone, confidently. Hi, how are you? I'm doing great. How about you? It's nice to meet you. Sparkles, try saying this 3 times. First slowly, then normally, then fast. Practice equals power biceps. Amazing job today. You just practiced real English greetings, the kind people use every day. You're getting better, sentence by sentence. Comment below, day 2 done checkmark, and tell me how you're feeling in English today. Don't forget, day 3 is all about describing things in English, your room, food, favorite things. It's going to be fun and easy. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. This is Easy English Daily, where we speak daily, speak easy.